Hey Cougs, it's Layla. I hope you all stayed safe and warm last week. Let's see what we have to keep you in the loop this week. Cougs. Last week we had a violent winter storm that brought along snow, ice, and shut down the state of Texas for nearly a week with no power or water. Some Texans still have water and food shortages that won't be resolved till the coming weeks. We are aware that this past week brought upon many trials and tribulations that might have affected your work, school, and home life. We have provided a link of available student resources in the YouTube description below. The university understands the impact the Arctic blast had on our students' lives. Therefore, the interim grade policy has been extended for this spring 2021 semester. Tuesday, watch our women's basketball team take on Cincinnati in the Fertitta Center at 6 p.m. Wednesday, enjoy a virtual event hosted by CoogPalz in which you can participate in self-love activities as well as discussing t-shirt designs and officer applications. The meeting ID and passcode will be provided below. The Center for Diversity and Inclusion is hosting their Power and Privilege workshop Thursday at 4, where you can explore the dynamics of power and privilege, its effects on others and society, and ways we can change our behavior in becoming better allies to alleviate barriers. To end the week, support our baseball team as they take on the Texas Longhorns at Schroder Park at noon on Sunday. With that being said, stay safe, keep your head up, keep pushing through, and remember, we are Coug strong. I'm Layla, and thanks for staying in the loop.